It selects you. It does not give you a manual. It provides you with hints, signs, and whispers. Signs should not be dismissed as mere coincidences. Recognize them and explore their depths. You might even find their arrows, pointing you toward your destiny. Here are some indicators. You have been chosen. You are not a forger. You're the type of person who can't act like someone they're not. If something does not feel right, you'd rather leave the situation than try to get out of it by being dishonest. It's just not in your nature. You have a bad feeling about it. You don't get along either with people who aren't genuine or who are only concerned with material things. I enjoy gossiping or bullying. You simply cannot connect with them. You also have a type of phony radar, a special sense for detecting deception. This ability to detect insincerity from afar is a natural gift you already have. It's one of the things that distinguishes you. As a chosen one, you stand out. You're not only true to yourself, you also have a knack for detecting when others are or aren't. You yearn for more. You're not the type of person who is content just going through the motions of daily life. While some people find comfort in routines, you always have the feeling that there is something bigger out there for you. Simply fitting in and doing what everyone else does, it sounds like rap. You don't want to fall into this trap. You recognize that life is more than just a regular job and following society's rules. You are not constrained by the constraints that appear to keep others stuck in one place. There's a big, amazing world out there, you know. There to discover a world that is far more than average, as poet Robert Frost put it. You've chosen to take the road less traveled. You've chosen a different path than the majority of people. And you know that this decision will have a profound impact on your life. You've been through so much that many people have been called, but only a few have been chosen. The chosen ones are the most powerful. They are tough and courageous. The most difficult battle is a chosen one. Your life is designed to be full of challenges. These difficulties served a purpose from the start. They help you become stronger and wiser. When you navigate the dark and difficult times, you gain the skills and understanding to help others who are going through similar experiences. Struggles, your experiences have prepared you to be a lighthouse for those who are lost or in pain. In some ways, the difficulties you face can spare many others the agony and heartbreak you have experienced. By confronting and overcoming your difficulties, you pave the way for those who come after you. Every difficult time in your life, every difficulty, struggle, and test, and every challenge serves a purpose. Nothing is thrown away. These experiences are available to assist you spiritually develop. And in order for wisdom to come to you, you must first make the world a better place. Even when you're going through your own difficulties, you find the strength to assist others in theirs. You may not always realize it, but you are saving and healing them. You're not just looking after yourself. You are a servant and a helper as well, making life easier for those around you. Your quest for the truth will last forever. You've always been someone who seeks the truth since you were a child. You're not afraid to question the status quo or challenge what everyone else believes, whereas others may simply accept what they're told. Listen to your heart, rather, and go your own way. You're constantly asking questions and seeking deeper meaning in life. You're driven by a deep desire to investigate and comprehend the mysteries of existence. And you're aware that the real answers aren't always available in the world. They are frequently found inside. According to the philosopher Socrates, an unexamined life is not worth living. You truly believe it. So you're on a quest to discover yourself and discover who you are. You're not just going through the motions of life. You're delving deep to comprehend it and yourself. You are the black sheep. Being the black sheep in your family is another indication that you've been chosen. You've always felt out of place, as if you don't belong. You may have even wondered if you were adopted because you are so different from your family. When everyone else goes one way, you go the other. Perhaps your political beliefs differ, or you simply see the world in a way that they do not. Being different can make you feel lonely or cut off from your family at times. It can be difficult to march to the beat of a different drum when no one else can hear the music you're playing, feeling as if you're in your own world while surrounded by people who should make you feel at ease. However, it is also a sign that you are meant for something greater, rather than simply fitting in with everyone else. Despite having been mistreated or taken advantage of in the past, you are a good person. You continue to choose to be kind and do good for others, because you have a truly pure heart. And it's one of the main reasons you've been chosen. You're the type who naturally desires to make others happy, allowing them to take more from you than they should. It's not because you're incapable. It's because you genuinely enjoy assisting others. Involving others is a natural part of your personality. It's in your blood. Some may believe they are taking advantage of you, but you let it happen because you are a natural giver. When you give to others, you feel most alive and yourself, even if you don't receive much in return. Your giving nature is a clear indication that you are someone special, chosen for a greater purpose. You have an intuitive sense. You can choose to ignore it, everything you desire, but you know deep down that you've been chosen. It's almost like a gut feeling. You can't get the fire in your soul to go away. You've come to do something significant. You just have a feeling you're supposed to make a difference in the world. You have the aura of an old soul, as if you've been around for much longer than your years. People boss each other around on Earth because of all the hatred and fighting. It simply does not make sense to you. Sometimes you even feel as if you belong somewhere else, somewhere far away, and you find yourself missing that unknown home. The sensation is intense. You're not like everyone else, and you're not here just to fit in. You've come to change things in order to make the world a better place, and no matter how hard you try to deny it, that calling will not go away. You are disliked by many people. People do not always like you, despite the fact that you have done nothing wrong. This can be very perplexing, especially since you are a good person. The reason for this is that the goodness and light within you make some people uneasy. It's as if your light accentuates the darkness in them. Parts they're not proud of that inner light of yours will shine even brighter as you grow spiritually. Many people will admire you for it. Some people may react strangely or negatively. It's critical to understand that this isn't really about you. It's all about them and their problems. Don't allow anyone to dim your light. Continue to be the wonderful person you are, and let the negativity go. Have faith that the universe has your back, and keep in mind that you are being guided and protected from above. Don't be concerned about those who do not. Simply keep shining because you're here for a reason. You have faith in a much higher power. You deeply respect the powers of the universe or God, unlike some people who may dismiss spiritual ideas. You notice details that others may overlook. You recognize that everything is unfolding as it should, in accordance with a higher plan. You are classified as a light worker. Deep down, someone whose job it is to bring light and love into the world. You understand that this is your true calling. You are guided and protected as a result of the important mission you have been assigned by higher powers. There is nothing to be afraid of, because you're on a path designed specifically for you, and you're not walking alone. So, my friends, if you see the signs discussed in the video, you should pay attention to the call. It is an indication from a higher power. I'm urging you to complete a mission while you're still alive. If you are still reading this and are a member of the faithful family of Wisdom Nuggets, because of you, I am able to make more videos and share insightful wisdom. Thank you for being a member of our family. I wish you a happy and prosperous life. May you be showered with wonderful blessings today.